Today, a major victory for gun control supporters.
Yeah, the U.S. Supreme Court's upheld a law that makes it illegal for those under restraining orders for domestic violence to have a gun. Matt Morrow here now to break down the ruling. Matt.
Well, Jeremy, the court made it very clear how it feels about this issue with an 8-1 ruling to uphold the gun control law that goes back to 1994. It also shows that the Supreme Court does believe there are limits to the Second Amendment when it comes to people who are deemed to be dangerous. The case in question here is from a man in Texas who had his guns taken away after his girlfriend got a restraining order because he hit her and threatened to shoot her. He fought that ruling, and a federal appeals court struck down that law. That was a court in Louisiana. That led to the U.S. Supreme Court case, where today Chief Justice John Roberts writing the majority opinion that says in part, quote, "Since the founding, our nation's firearm laws have included provisions preventing individuals who threaten physical harm to others from misusing firearms." The only justice to dissent is Clarence Thomas, who writes in part, "Today's decision puts at risk the Second Amendment rights of many more."
The court here is saying that this seems reasonable. It's a temporary denial of gun rights. It doesn't say that you could be deprived for life.
And here in Colorado, Attorney General Phil Weiser, who wrote a court brief defending the law, supports the decision, saying, quote, "Most domestic violence-related murders involve firearms. An abuser is 5 times more likely to murder their intimate partner if a firearm is in the home. Furthermore, law enforcement, children, family, and friends also face harm in domestic violence-related incidents when an abuser has a gun." The Supreme Court is going to be very busy next week with a number of big decisions still to come. This includes the one about former President Donald Trump's immunity case.